This is GRAVEUR, the smart laser engraver. How the idea was born. Existing systems are too heavy, large and expensive. GRAVEUR is light, portable and affordable. Have you ever wondered if you can apply an engraving more easily than with a spray can? Yes, you can. With GRAVEUR, you can add your logo to wood, cardboard and paper. The machine was carefully drawn by hand. We did not stop until every detail was perfect. These drawings were then digitalized and precisely measured. It took countless hours of Python programming to bring the machine to perfection. Only the best components were used: aluminium profiles, steel shafts, and a ball bearing slide. This is the only way to achieve the precision that meets our high standards. Let's get to the most important part: the laser. 445 nanometers, 3000 milliwatts. That should speak for itself. To ensure fast, precise movements, two-phase NEMA 17-stepper motors and renowned TB6600 drivers are used. The system is controlled by a 4th-generation Raspberry Pi. The operation is straightforward. Using the built-in touchscreen, an image from the inserted USB stick can be selected and placed exactly on the desired material. The positioning is supported by the built-in camera. An orange plexiglass protects your eyes from the laser. The engraving is reliable, fast and safe. Take GRAVEUR to your living room and surprise your loved ones with their own personal engraving. This is GRAVEUR. Extremely portable, exceptionally smart. The team behind the project: Benjamin, Christoph, Nicholas.